guys, what's up? It's Tundra, and today we have an egg. Okay, so this is called the lazy egg Gedatama, and it's really cool. So yeah, I'll get this open and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I got it open now, so let's just, come on. Oh, okay, 1 second. Okay guys, so I got it set up so that I can open it. So here we go. Oh, ew. It feels so weird. It feels like slime. Okay, so that's the yolk. And then let's see what little guy we got. Oh. He's sticking to yolk. Okay. Get this little guy out. Oh. Okay, so we got the bacon. Okay. So this is the little bacon guy just floating around on the egg. Okay. And then there's slime. Okay. Comment down below what you think I should name this guy. Okay, so guys, please like and subscribe. Bye! And I hope you like this little cool little guy. Okay, bye!